Cats are among the most fascinating creatures on Earth, captivating humans for thousands of years with their mysterious nature, playful antics, and independent spirit. Unlike dogs, which openly express their emotions and loyalty, cats have an enigmatic air that makes them all the more intriguing. While many believe they understand cats, there are always surprising discoveries that reveal just how unique and extraordinary these animals are. One of the most incredible aspects of cats is their ability to always land on their feet. This phenomenon, known as the riding reflex, is a complex mechanism that allows cats to twist their bodies in midair to ensure a safe landing. Their highly flexible spines and an exceptional sense of balance help them perform this seemingly magical feat. Scientists have studied this reflex extensively, and it has even influenced technological advancements, such as robotic movement systems and astronaut training for weightless environments. A cat's ability to survive falls from great heights has also earned it the reputation of having 9 lives, though in reality, it is their physical adaptability that saves them. Another fascinating fact about cats is their ability to communicate with humans in a way that is not seen in any other species. Unlike wild cats, which primarily communicate through body language and scent marking, domestic cats have developed a vast repertoire of vocalization specifically for interacting with people. The most famous of these is the meow, a sound rarely used by cats to communicate with each other but frequently employed to grab human attention. Some cats even develop unique meows tailored to their owners, adjusting their pitch and intensity to ensure they are understood. Beyond meowing, cats also use chirps, purrs, and trills to express emotions, with purring often linked to contentment but also serving as a self-soothing mechanism during stress or illness. An equally surprising trait of cats is their extraordinary night vision, which allows them to see in near total darkness. This ability stems from a structure in their eyes called the tapetum lucidum, a layer of reflective cells that amplifies light and enhances their vision in low-light conditions. This adaptation is an evolutionary advantage inherited from their wild ancestors, who relied on hunting at dawn and dusk when their prey was most active. While cats cannot see in absolute darkness, they require only 1/6 of the light humans need to navigate their surroundings. This keen night vision, combined with their sensitive whiskers that detect air currents and obstacles, makes them formidable hunters even in the darkest environments. One of the lesser-known but truly remarkable aspects of cats is their ability to recognize and respond to human emotions. Many cat owners have experienced moments when their feline companion seems to sense their mood, offering comfort during sadness or joining in moments of happiness. Studies have shown that cats are capable of reading human facial expressions and tone of voice, adjusting their behavior accordingly. While they may not display affection in the same overt way as dogs, they demonstrate their bond through subtle gestures, such as slow blinking, rubbing against their owners, or choosing to sit nearby. The slow blink, in particular, is considered a cat's way of expressing trust and affection, and returning the gesture can strengthen the connection between cat and human. Finally, a truly mind-blowing fact about cats is their ability to fit into incredibly small spaces due to their unique skeletal structure. Unlike humans, cats have flexible collarbones that allow them to squeeze through any opening their head can fit through. This skill is not only useful for escaping predators in the wild but also explains why cats love curling up in tight spaces like boxes, bags, and even drawers. Scientists believe this behavior is rooted in their instinct to seek security and warmth, as confined spaces provide a sense of safety from potential threats. The internet is filled with videos of cats contorting themselves into impossible positions, proving just how adaptable and elastic their bodies can be. Cats continue to amaze and delight us with their mysterious behaviors, remarkable abilities, and charming personalities. While they may often seem aloof or independent, they form deep connections with their human companions, enriching lives in ways that are both heartwarming and endlessly entertaining. Whether they are performing acrobatic feats, communicating in their own unique language, or curling up in the smallest of spaces, cats remain one of nature's most intriguing and beloved creatures.